going to record this session. Okay guys, let's move on very quickly. I just want to go through one file only untuk hari ini. Can see the file? Kalau boleh, thumbs up. Okay, good. Now, I kena besarkan sikit. Kalau tak, nanti tak nampak kan? Where is the... You nampak tak? Okay, macam ni. Okay, I can see Okay, this is just a checklist. Okay, I just go through very fast explanation. Lepas tu saya akan hantar dekat group so korang boleh tengok balik. Okay, apa yang akan berlaku dalam sepanjang 6 minggu ini, dia adalah berlainan dengan platform, bukan soal kurus, dia tak ada e-learning platform. We don't have e-learning platform. What we do is more into physical engagement and also physical punya activity and also what do you call that? Kita ada mental classes, mental and wellness talk. So what will you be benefit from this whole thing is, of course, the first thing I will say is the productive WhatsApp group support system. Now, I want to talk about this WhatsApp system a little bit. Now, kita punya group dalam tim Prolintas mungkin dia ada sikit berlainan ataupun berbeza because dalam tim itu semua kenal each other almost because ada orang-orang atasan, ada manager, ada directors, and then ada orang yang just normal, okay, position dia. So sometimes they will feel like, my manager tengah tengok saya lah. Kalau I buat workout sekarang tapi kerja belum habis, nanti manager marah. You know, you have this kind of feeling. I don't know, maybe. But dalam BSK punya team, BSK2, everybody's very different because dia bukan pekerja. They are not colleagues. Semua adalah dari area berlainan, so they are very free. So kalau WhatsApp group dibandingkan dengan Prolintas punya group, memang banyak beza. Let me tell you one thing, Team Prolintas. WhatsApp group dekat BSK2 setiap hari bangun pagi buka mata, okay, sebelum pukul 8, 8.30 macam pagi tau, ada dekat 300 message confirm ada 300 message. Itu pun belum habis baca, belum habis type-nya. So kalau korang miss saja message 1 jam ke 2 jam memang sampai 1000 kadang-kadang. Yes, honestly I need to inform the Team Prolintas because BSK2 memang dah biasa, they all know already. So I just want to let you know one thing, if possible untuk kali ini kita nak content berkualiti. What I mean by content berkualiti means whatever sharing that you all are sharing inside the WhatsApp group, try to be good content. Kita tak nak macam yang not membebel lah. We can chit chat, but jangan terlampau panjang lah. Jangan 100-200 message tu just chit chat. You faham? We can chit chat, no problem. I don't want to give you so much stress. Memang boleh talk to each other. It's just that kalau boleh, this season I want to try to make something different. Kita try to talk about diet, then we talk about workouts, sharing about the progress. Masa kita buat larian di 7 km, we share our story just to motivate each other. So this is why we need this WhatsApp group support. That's why I tak panggil dia WhatsApp group saja. I call it a productive WhatsApp group support system. Di mana dia akan jadi satu sistem yang akan menyokong antara satu sama lain. Boleh? Can? Can Thumbs up if everybody can? Alright, good. Okay, good. So let's do some different things for this season. Okay? Now obviously this group kita ada like-minded people. Memang semua akan, we have the same goal. Kita nak kurus, ada yang nak kurus, ada yang nak belajar teknik-teknik yang betul, correcting the form of workouts and everything. Okay? Number 3, we have daily health, fitness and diet guidance. Obviously, kalau korang ada apa-apa soalan bertentangan dengan diet or fitness or daily health, please feel free to ask dalam group. Bukan saya seorang saja yang akan jawab, selalunya in my BSK2 punya team, before I jawab, dah ada 10 jawapan dekat sana. Serious, I tell you. One person ask dalam BSK2, macam mana kalau kita makan ini ya? Sebelum saya sempat jawab, ada 10 answer dekat sana. Means this is good. Because why? The whole family, bukan dari segi, jangan tengok dari segi bentuk badan. Ada mungkin like still 70 kilo, 60 kilo. But dari segi ilmu mereka dah, good, well done. Honestly speaking. They are very well equipped with ilmu dah. So that's why I said this group now, it's not a normal group now, honestly speaking. This season is very quality season. Very quality group of people. All the top students, as I say, all the top students semua dekat sini. Okay? Alright. So, next one will be, obviously kita ada, 1 minggu kita ada 3 kali workout. setiap hari Selasa, setiap hari Khamis, and also hari Sabtu. Selasa dengan Khamis is pukul 8 malam, is recorded. If you cannot make it, then you can look back at the recording. But I hope you join the live workout because why? The coaches can see you. Kalau you buat salah, kita boleh betulkan. This is very important. Then number 3 workout will be on Saturday pukul 9 pagi. Okay, now I just want to give you a limelight on this. So far, I have set this one. But if you think majority rasanya Saturday nak tukar ke timing yang lain, feel free to request because at least we are not so mad, kita bukan banyak ramai sangat orang, so it's easy to tweak. Kita boleh change. But kalau boleh, I hope you all can just stay to this one first. 8 malam untuk Selasa dengan Khamis, 9 pagi untuk Sabtu. Now, one question is, bila tiba bulan Ramadan? Correct? Bulan Ramadan, I think is about dalam sebulan lagi kan? Sebulan lagi kan? So once we reach the bulan Ramadan, kita akan have a meeting dengan semua. Korang boleh suggest. Okay? So we just make sure everybody is okay dengan kita punya classes. Alright, so far any problem? Kalau korang ada apa-apa problem, please yes, you feel free to message dalam group. Okay, next one, we're going to have a weekly mental wellness talk with me, Andy Virtual Cafe. Kalau macam team Pro Lintas, kita pernah buat sekali aja. I think sekali ke dua, Yusni? Syam? Sekali ke dua kan? Untuk BSK 2, team BSK 2 memang kita buat setiap minggu. Okay, because that's why I said the vibe a bit different dekat Pro Lintas dengan BSK 2. So, the time dekat Pro Lintas susah nak catch. But dekat BSK 2 nanti korang akan faham. Wah, dekat kenapa korang dekat sini memang akan happy and enjoy. Alright? So, setiap hari Ahad, selalunya pukul 2 lah. But kadang-kadang I will change the timing pukul 1 atau pukul 12. But selalunya pukul 2. Okay, kita akan meet for 1 hour. Just to catch up, update apa yang belum update. Okay? Then next one is no commitment to attend all the classes. Kalau korang memang sibuk kerja and clash or anything, no commitment. But my recommendation is please try to do your best to join the class. Okay, kita ada dalam 18 classes. Okay, for the 6 week. Now, next one, how to register. You dah register, so forget about this one. Now, what to do once you dah register. Now, one thing is submit a photo. Okay, I know some of you have already submitted previously. Tapi masa itu, your bentuk badan ataupun your kg might be different. So please resubmit again on your current weight. So dalam foto itu, you can guna any kind of apps. Tulis nama you, tak payah nak panjang-panjang, just like that. Asalkan yang kenal, Shahzad. Like this one example, Shahzad. Then current weight berapa? Current weight Shahzad, I don't think is 73 now. Yang 73 is before, okay? So sekarang punya current weight, lepas tu target weight. Now, obviously I nampak the previous 8 weeks program, ramai dah turun. Macam Yusni, turun 12 kilo, area dah banyak, Wawa dah banyak, then some others, Joyce, everybody dah turun banyak, Hasina. So now, please set your new weight target secara realistic. Faham? Jangan, let's say for example, let's take Shahzad as an example. Let's say sekarang dia 73 kilo. Okay, tapi padahal bila dia start the past few months, she's 80. Dia dah turun 7 kilo. Sekarang the new target dia nak turun lagi 5 kilo. Boleh ke tak boleh? It's not mustahil. Tapi just make sure you all set a realistic one. Jangan set satu target yang 20 kilo jauh bezanya. Faham tak? 20 kilo dalam 6 week, I would say it's impossible lah. Melainkan korang memang tak makan lah. Satu hari minum air kosong je. Itu je lah. Kalau mungkin tercapai lah. Tapi mungkin akan tercapai tapi dekat hospital. Bukan dekat rumah. That's what I'm going to say. Okay. So make sure set a realistic one. Lepas tu korang hantar gambar ni. I will send you this form. Nanti korang just click dekat sini kan. Then you upload your picture. And one more thing sangat important. Selepas upload, remember to rename. Okay, dekat file 2, you have to rename nama you. Macam tu je. Okay. Then this one, kalau you nak tulis, you tulis lah. Committed and dedicated to stay active. Apa goal anda? Kalau korang rasa nak tulis, tulis lah. Kalau tak, just submit gambar and this one. Yang ini penting. And then kalau boleh, kita gunakan hashtag Team Coach Andy. Why I use this hashtag so much is because it's easier for me to look for you. Kalau korang ada post dekat social media, it's easier for me to look for you. We have 3 official hashtag. Team Coach Andy, Elites MMA, and Elites to You. Feel free to use any one of this. If can, you use 3 of this. Because hashtag yang berlainan, orang berlainan yang akan tengok. Okay? Alright, good. So next one is your daily task. Kita ada satu daily task di mana kita ada yang ni, keep track on your own steps. Yang ni korang dah biasa lah. I don't have to spend so much time. Korang memang dah tahu. Korang akan keep your daily track. Kenapa? But why? Just to remind you why we have to look at the daily track is because kita nak tahu level keaktifan you all. How active you all sepanjang program 6 minggu. Okay, this is very important. So how active you all. Number 2, which is new to those who haven't joined before Elite Studio session, is this. This is the calendar yang saya akan guna. Kita akan tampal dekat kita punya WhatsApp group foto. WhatsApp group foto kita kan. Saya akan letak ini dekat sana. So every single day, saya ada daily task untuk you. Macam dulu BSK2, kita ada daily workout dengan coaches. But this one, kita tak ada daily coaches untuk guide. But I will set an example. Example dia is not only workout. Okay, it might be, okay, Isnin, maksudnya esok lah kita start kan. Isnin, kita akan buat challenge makan 3 benda warna hijau. Maksudnya, dalam pinggan you, breakfast ke lunch ke dinner, kena ada 3 benda yang warna hijau. Okay? Tapi you jangan guna ayam goreng tu you sapu dengan hijau lah. Janganlah macam tu. Maksud I ada veggie, ada green apple, something like that lah, ada timun. So this one is dah considered. Okay? Faham? So this one I will share it later. Korang akan nampak dekat group. Next is our weekly task. Weekly task, juice green boleh juga. But later you will see the task then you will know. Okay? Don't worry about that. But kalau tak faham nanti you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Now next one will be the weekly task. Weekly task is the compilation of your total steps dengan your weights setiap hari Sabtu. Macam Pro Lintas dulu kita submit hari Ahad. BSK 2 punya team, my team submit hari Sabtu. But this time kita set semua submit hari Sabtu. Maksudnya bila start is esok. Esok akan mula target your steps. Okay? Muntah hijau. Johnny, muntah hijau itu tak kira. Itu lepas buat burpee 100 kali mungkin muntah hijau. Okay. Hai, korang jangan main Is it gula hijau, add salt. Pandai semua Okay. Complete 3 weeks of weekly classes. Okay. Then obviously kita akan ambil group photo. This is our group photo. Then your group photo will be the attendance. Alright. And then untuk program kali ini kita akan issue e-certificate. So make sure you complete all your classes at least 50%. Means at least 9 class to entitle a certificates. Okay, but obviously for me, I hope, actually to be honest semua dekat sini, yang 30 lebih orang tu, yang dekat sini, yang daftar, actually are all, when I look back at the past lah, team Pro Lintas dengan team BSK 2, your season tu, memang semua attendance kau-kaunya, yang paling tinggi attendance. Semua dekat sini. That's why I say super quality, this group now. Very, very quality group. Okay, and this is our official hashtag. Team Coach Andy, Elite Studio, Elite MMA. Okay? Alright. So far semua faham? Understand? Good? Alright, good. So, I leave you on. Kalau korang ada apa-apa soalan, if you want to ask me, you can comment at the comment box. I'm going to wrap this up in 5 to 10 minutes time. And yes, one more thing is kita akan start officially esok So please start taking your steps, your weights, semua starting tomorrow. And then your challenge, your daily task pun kita akan start for tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards. Okay, kita akan start semuanya esok. So untuk yang BSK 2 itu, team BSK 2 memang mereka dah cuti dalam seminggu lebih lah. So memang I dekat group tu I still tengok punya korang punya layan korang punya Karena semua. Tapi I diam je. Tapi I know ada yang tengah enjoy, dah start makan semua dah. Ada yang still very persistent dengan classes. I think there's one group lead by Hasina kot. Hasina. You guys doing your own workout kan, Hani, Joyce, I saw a few of y'all. You're doing all the workout, which is good. Okay. I think Syam and also Yusni and also some of the Pro Lintas team memang akan suka lah. Why? Because my season, this one, saya akan do another session also. A special session di mana saya akan ask you all to lead. Okay, I call the program student to leader. Maksudnya selalu dalam program kita punya kelas, saya akan cakap kan, okay Syam, kita akan buat jumping jack 1 minit. Okay, Yusni sekarang kita buat plank macam tu kan. So, selepas pertengahan program kita, saya akan suruh you all lead. Maksudnya Yusni, you akan prepare your workout. Lepas tu Yusni akan tampil ke hadapan untuk lead semua orang dekat sini untuk buat workout. Yang ini adalah leadership. Why I do this is because korang akan lebih memahami cara-cara melakukan sesuatu pergerakan. Okay? If I ask you to do a plank, dengan bila you conduct plank, sangat berbeza. I cakap, okay guys, plank. Oh, semua tahu lah plank. Ada yang tipu-tipu sikit. Tapi bila you yang akan lead, guys, it's very, very different. Okay? So you guys gonna enjoy this. Very, very enjoying. Okay. Alright. So good. Any more question for me? Please kemukakan dalam ruangan komen. Kalau tak, I will gonna wrap up this thing in 5 minutes. And I'll see you guys back in the WhatsApp group. Kepada sesiapa yang belum self-intro dekat WhatsApp group, please feel free to do so. Why I want to do that is because we still have some other from my Elites team, Elites MMA team, ada few that join also. Mereka pun nak kenal dengan you all. And of course, Team Prolintas and also BSK across to know each other. Habislah kali ini jadi mati akal suara ketat. Okay. Kelas shoot paling gerun. Okay guys, one more thing very simple you all dah biasa dengan my movement, my classes. So this time kita ada dua lagi coaches. Satu is Coach Defron. Coach Defron akan conduct setiap hari Selasa. Okay, Defron is a professional boxer that based in Uzbekistan. Okay, memang satu badan dia ketul-ketulnya lah, banyak roti, ketul satu badan. Okay, it's very, very fit. So for people, now let me just let you know one more time. For people so fit like him, obviously, kalau dia buat 20 push-up, it's very, very easy. Alright? Tapi kalau untuk you, tak bermaksud 20 push-up itu, you can do it easily. So please, whatever you learn in e-learning or whatever you learn in BSK 2 or Team Prolintas BSK, gunakan. Maksudnya, if let's say the coach, even though it's me, jangan dengar habis 100% what I say. Same thing goes to Coach Defron and also Coach Shukri. Kalau Coach Shukri cakap, okay guys, you do 100 burpees. I know dia takkan buat macam tu lah. Why I mean is kalau contoh kalau Coach Shukri cakap, okay guys, do 100 burpee. Dari segi mental, you know, kalau 100 burpee tu memang salah. Bukan salah, sorry. I mean, you tak dapat buat dalam masa 1 minit. Let's say 100 burpee, 1 minute. Please, feel free to do only what you can do. Faham? Jangan mengakibatkan kecederaan. Because here, you guys dekat sini, bukan orang yang first day join me, bukan first day join class. Korang dah tahu, at least ada basic, certain basic. So make sure, filter dulu, baru masuk. Jangan coach cakap, okay untuk sihat, kita hari ni kena makan 10 aiskrim, semua akan kurus 10 kilo. Macam tu. So semua makan je lantak, makan aiskrim. Right? So please filter dulu, absorb, and then only you decide whether how to do it. Kalau tak boleh, because you know your best. If you can or cannot. Faham? Alright? And for those who don't know, every Sunday when we have our wellness talk, okay, Sunday is our cheat day. This, kalau boleh, we start to schedule dari bermula hari inilah, okay? Setiap hari Ahad adalah cheat day kita, di mana kita kalau ada BSK pula, sorry. Di mana kalau kita ada Andy's Cafe, we come in at 2 PM, you boleh bawa ice cream, boleh bawa coffee, boleh bawa apa-apa je. Sunday is our cheat day. Okay, so kita sama-sama lah cheat day. Cheat day, cheat makan tau. Korang jangan cheat yang lain guys, please Maksud I cheat makan saja Korang jangan pandai-pandai nak cheat lain. Okay, so bawalah on Sunday. Okay, I'm done from my side. Panjang bercerita saya selalu. So guys, please, any questions? Apa yang tak faham? Jangan tanya saya macam mana nak buat burpee sekarang. You tanya saya macam mana nak buat burpee sekarang, nanti saya suruh you buat 20 burpee esok. Bukan 20, 30.
Coach, the
any
step,
question? Yeah.
The steps, we count starting at Monday, Saturday or Monday to Sunday?
Okay, because you say right now, yep, correct. Okay, so now what happened is this, because sepatutnya we have to start from Sunday to Saturday, sepatutnya, but it's okay because we just started tomorrow officially. So this week saja kita akan start from Monday and then submit on Saturday. So the week number 2, minggu yang kedua, kita akan bermula daripada Ahad to the following Saturday. Macam tu. Only the first week. Then after that semua dah okay dah. Normal. Okay? Thanks for asking, Shah. It's a good question. Any more question, guys? Nabila punya muka muram je. I think dia belum cheat day lagi. Belum cheat meal.
I dah cheat meal
Yes.
banyak kali.
Terus
I nak
tanya.
tanya, coach. Kalau hari Sabtu tu, kadang-kadang I kena kerja juga. So macam mana
Okay, yes. Kalau pagi Sabtu tu kita, actually you're okay ke yang kalau kita buat Sabtu pagi? Boleh tak? Okay, I buat simple survey lah sekarang Siapa yang nak Sabtu pagi, komen 1. Siapa yang nak Sabtu petang mungkin dalam pukul 4, komen 2. Komen 1 untuk kelas pagi Sabtu, komen 2 untuk kelas petang. Semua nak petang Okay, I think
Coach, kalau
ada
macam
yang
petang tu, hari Sabtu tu, coach, I nak tanya, kalau hari Sabtu tu petang, maybe dalam 6 PM okay coach, sebab aku dah kerja lah, betul kena kerja.
kan, faham. Okay, so I tell you what, because actually kita dah set dengan Coach Shukri yang akan jaga, dia akan buat conduct class hari Sabtu. So let me check dengan Shukri kalau dia boleh buat yang lewat sikit. Okay, so yes, Sabtu pagi selalu outdoor kan, so I so understand. Actually my Saturday pagi pun saya pergi outdoor sometimes. And one more thing guys, kalau dibenarkan apa tu? Siapa yang tanya? Hasina, yes. Ada. Setiap kelas semua ada recording. Ada. Semua ada recording. It's just that we prefer to you to join live lah kan. Okay, tak apa guys. Nanti saya akan buat satu survey form.
Kalau
apa tu,
record,
Nabila?
Kalau record,
Record lah.
kalau kita ikut record tak best.
Yelah memang lah. That's why my advice is I want you all to join live. So at least the coach can guide you. So I tell you what guys, what I will do is kita akan buat satu survey. Let me check dengan Coach Shukri punya time dulu. Okay, yang penting dia punya time. So dia dah okay dengan set dengan time tu, kita akan buat satu survey. I akan bagi you 3 masa. So I hope you guys can cooperate lah. Mungkin ada yang nak 1, ada yang nak 2, ada yang nak 3 kan. So I will choose yang majority. Boleh? I akan choose yang majority lah. Siapa yang boleh buat 3-3, korang pun boleh choose 3-3 time macam tu. Okay, I akan keluarkan satu survey form. Sabtu pagi pergi pasar. Yelah kan. Pagi. Okay. Alright. Any more question before we wrap up? I nak ambil group foto ni.